Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this smartphone. Start by exiting Tab menu. Now you need to look for location icon and tap on it. Then choose close in the pop-up, and as you can see, location of my smartphone is now off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same icon. But you can always go into settings as well, scroll down, choose location over here, and manage it by tapping on the switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!